Hey guys, I'm Ryo Takahashi. I'm a cinematographer, director based in Tokyo, Japan. So today I'm gonna be talking about Dana Dolly. So did you hear this product name? This Dana Dolly is super nice and then super helpful tool to get some kind of nice dolly shot in the budget. So in this video, I'm gonna introduce this product and then show some demos, and finally I wanna share my thought. So let's get started. Did you see these kind of dolly shot before? So many high budget filmmaking world, in the high budget commercial or the feature film world, they are always using these kind of dolly system into their film location. But in the filmmakers world, this dolly system is a little bit overwhelming because it needs the wide open space, and this system needs the truck rail or the nice dolly system, and people to pull and push and pull, and yeah, it needs a lot of resources. So if you wanna get dolly shot moving, the camera slider is some options to get the nice dolly shot moving with the lightweight cinema camera. But if you wanna use the heavy duty camera like your Alexa Classic or something, it needs another option because most of the camera slider cannot manage these kind of heavy duty cinema camera. So the Dana Dolly is the super nice solutions to get nice and smooth dolly move in the budget. Let's try to search this Dana Dolly. So let's go to this website, the film tools. I actually bought this Dana Dolly Universal Rental Kit with case promo set in their website. So the price is $1,900 or something. But yeah, this package included this Dana Dolly and 2 low combo stand and aluminum pole. I think this is super nice choice because this is the kind of like a ready to go kit to shoot. Actually, I live in Japan, so I should think about the tax and the shipping cost. So yeah, if you live in the US, and yeah, you can find other options, but for me, it's nice choice and it's best choice for me. Anyways, so how it works is this, Dana Dolly. So please take a look my demo. So this Dana Dolly is packed with this hard case, and we can build super easily. So set up this 2 low combo stand first, and then we attach this truck end each by each, right? So, and we attach this aluminum pole, this hole, and tie it up, right? So you can put this Dana Dolly onto this pole, right? That's it. And then Dana Dolly has this hole, the center of this body, so you can attach the tripod head as you want. So at this time, I use the Kessler crane. I mentioned this Kessler crane tripod head. I love this tripod head so far, so I use this for my Alexa. So yeah, that's it. Super easy. So the Dana Dolly can handle the 100 pounds. This means the 45 kilograms, right? So if you want to use the heavy duty camera, maybe this Dana Dolly system is super helpful tool to get nice, dolly shot. Once you get this product, you can do this dolly shot with this kind of heavy duty camera, and also if you use the BMPCC or other DSLR camera, yeah, you can do with this Dana Dolly the same process, right? I think this Dana Dolly is in between the super serious dolly system and the camera slider, affordable camera slider. So we can easily build up this Dana Dolly. Maybe my recommendation is that you build this, Dana Dolly system with the two people, maybe the two-man job or something. So yeah, but if you are the one-man band type filmmaker, you can easily doing the build app yourself in your location. This is super portable and then durable, and then we can do some nice smooth moving with this Dana Dolly, and then yeah, many other filmmakers, this is Dana Dolly is super good. So yeah, this product is famous in the filmmakers world. So yeah, this is super nice investment your filmmaking career. So you don't need this heavy dollar system so far, but if you wanna do the step up your filmmaking career, and if you wanna get heavy duty camera like an Alexa or the other cinema camera, Dana Dolly can handle many cinema camera system. So once you get this Dana Dolly, you can use this Dana Dolly forever, right? So this is super durable, and you can easily switch the lightweight to the heavy duty camera. So this is super nice investment your filmmaking career. And if you didn't use this Dana Dolly, usually you can rent out other filmmakers through the peer-to-peer style or rental service or something. So literally this is gonna be the investment yourself, your filmmaking career, right? I'm satisfied with this product because I did some shoot with this Dana Dolly a few times, but I use this for the interview shot and a couple of video and some commercial and a music video. So yeah, it's super nice, and we can do this super smoothly. So how about this Dana Dolly system? I hope this video helped your filmmaking process. Thank you for watching. Bye.